Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace alternators. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that, everything from start to finish. Now we'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but actually even if you have a different engine, the video may be helpful and teach you what you need to do. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So you don't need to remove your engine to remove the alternator. It's pretty simple guys, but we're doing engine replacement and we'll be making hundreds of videos and we can show you everything with a great detail. Here on top you're going to have the engine mount, okay, right here, but that's okay. You will still have plenty of room, I believe, to remove the alternator. And now let's explain how you're going to do that. So what do you guys need to do? At that point you need to first release the belt, okay, right there. Go counterclockwise and remove the belt. Perfect. Now once the belt comes out, you can go ahead, okay, and pull it off the alternator as well. Number two, before we continue, don't do anything else. You need to disconnect your car battery. Okay, let's explain why. First, because there is a positive wire going from the car battery to the alternator. And if you don't do that, when you touch that wire to ground anywhere on the engine with a tool or anything, you can see sparks flying, you can catch yourself on fire, you can burn the electronics, wiring harness and the engine computer. On these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it wrong guys, okay, you can again cause damage to the modules, electrical system and the computer. So if you don't know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, we have a special video that explains that and I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Once you do that guys, okay, what you need to do next? Okay, you need to go ahead and remove the top bolt. Okay, in our case, okay, let me see which one is this one. Is that a 14? Yep, 14 millimeter, and pre-loosen the bottom one as well. Now, the cool thing about that is the top one needs to come out all the way. Okay, the bottom one, practically you're not supposed to remove it, but it will make your life easier because sometimes it gets stuck. Now, you will need to get a screwdriver, okay, and you need to kind of like pry the alternator out, down, okay, perfect, and kind of like wiggle it to come out of the holders there. Okay, it's still stuck, so we'll just go ahead and pry from the bottom, see if it can come out. So yeah, it could be stuck a little bit guys. And you can see it's on the bottom. Okay, it's coming out. That's why it's easier to remove the bolt. Now on the back side you have that's the signal wire going to the engine computer to tell how much it's charging. Press here, disconnect it. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now right here we need to remove that one. I believe it's a 13 millimeter. Okay, that's the positive wire going to the car battery. You don't want guys, okay, to have the battery connected. Now if the battery is connected, you touch that wire with a 2 to the engine or anything like that, it's a 12 actually. Okay, that's when things can get ugly. So, okay, it's almost coming out. Perfect, let's lift it up, and that's the alternator. That's how you guys remove it. Installing it practically is in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.